everyone, or no one if no one ever watches this video, which is probably no one at this point. This is part of the fashion/beauty Friday that I started, and this will be the first video of the series. I just wanted to show you guys my everyday makeup. People are always surprised that I only use one eyeshadow. And honestly, this makeup will last over 12 hours. So if you need long-lasting makeup, just go ahead and watch this video. And I really hope it helps you and motivates you. It takes me 30 minutes every day, so you can put yourself together for work every day. Just 30 minutes to get this makeup done, okay guys? Like I said, I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please do not forget to subscribe and leave me your comments down below. Bye everyone, or continue watching.
First of all, I wanted to say this makeup takes me 25 minutes. Yeah, 25 minutes to do every single morning. So obviously, for the purpose of the video and not being too long, it is fast forwarded, but it takes me 25 minutes on my everyday. So you can definitely do this every day. Pretty much, I'm just giving you the major tip of things that I do, and it makes my foundation literally last about 12 hours. Sorry, guys. So I use the for Sally just for priming. I definitely think that it smooths my skin out, like it blurs it out for sure. And then I'm just using the Dior foundation. I normally use the YSL, but I was out of it. And I use a brush to kind of like buff it into my skin, so I'm pushing it in. And for some reason, I don't like to work with it when it's too wet, so I kind of let it like dry just a tap. Not dry, but I kind of apply like my neck and my chest, and then I go back onto my face. And then I just buff it all out. And I use the IT Cosmetics brush. I love their brushes, by the way. And that's also an IT Cosmetics brush, but it's more round at the end. So I just kind of buff it in. And excuse my lovely hairstyle in this video. I just need to push my hair back. And I wanted to do this literally in the setup that I do it every morning. And then my trusty Airspun setting powder. I use this one every day just because it's a lot more affordable than using something else. But I wanted to do it in the setup, and I know it's not the best angle, I'm sorry guys, but just so it was as realistic as possible. I'm obsessed with the Huda eyeshadow and also their lip products, but I'm just quickly doing my eyes, but that's not the main goal of this video, so I won't go into detail, but I only use one color every single day. Just kind of blending in all that pink, you know. And then I just go in and like remove all the extra powder. I only leave it while I do my eyes. Like I don't leave the powder for too long so it doesn't look too cakey on my skin. It's like semi-baking. And then I do my bronzer, which if you know me, I love Too Faced Sun Bunny. It's like my favorite bronzer. It goes with any skin tone. And sorry if you hear Kush in the background. He has decided to snore as I started recording this. Huda again, surprise. And I just use it to clean up my bronzer. Like I said, I literally do this every single day, guys. Hourglass blush, which if you haven't tried, you should definitely try it. And then I'm just smudging under my eyes. Setting my eyebrows in place. And then I'm just lining my eyes. I've been obsessed with lining my eyes lately. I feel like it makes such a big difference. And eventually we will have plugs, new plugs in here whenever Juan makes it to it. And then I'm just doing my eyes, which, yeah, it takes forever. Just make sure that you don't have anything that you don't want on your face before setting it, which is what I'm doing, just in case I had any fallout or anything like that. I'm taking it off with a Q-tips. And then what I'm gonna do is my lips, also Huda. Surprise there. And then this is the secret to making your foundation last so long, is the Huda setting spray. Do not spray this on your face because it smells so strong. I don't know if you guys can see it, but literally like my skin looks so dewy as I start to apply it. Like, I mean, it looks wet, but it looks like dewy wet. And I literally apply this everywhere and I just dab it into my skin as much as possible. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. This is just what I do to make my foundation last so long, and I hope this tip is very helpful to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.